Hello friends, today we will discuss very important topic of SYBSc Botany, University of Mumbai, paper 3, unit 3 of semester 4, that is Bioinformatics and Statistics. In that we will study the small section, that is History of Information Technology. Let's start information technology. Information technology term was designed and given by Harold Leavitt and Thomson Whistler in 1958, and they defined it as a technology encompasses technique for processing, the application of statistics and mathematical methods for decision making and simulation of higher order thinking through the computer program. So means computer program which give the calculation of statistics, mathematics, and also give the decision, so that is come under this information technology. Now, history of information technology. There are main 4 ages of information technology, that is IT: pre-mechanical age, mechanical age, electromagnetic age, and mechanical age. First, pre-mechanical age. This was the earliest age of the human being, and the time span of this age is 3000 BC to 1450 AD. It was the first time when the humans started communication. Petroglyph. Petroglyph is the process of carving on the rock. So you can see this petroglyph. The first alphabet was developed by the Phoenician alphabet. Phoenician alphabet. So this was the first Phoenician alphabet which was discovered during this pre-mechanical age, and it started on wet clay. Later on, paper was discovered from the papyrus plant. So this is the papyrus plant from which the paper were discovered in China. Around 100 AD, numerical system like 1 to 9 was created, and also the number 0 were invented by Indian people. You know that the number 0 is given by the great Indian mathematician, that is Aryabhatta. The first calculator, that is abacus, was discovered during this age. Then mechanical age, the time span lies between 1450 to 1840. It was the first time when the human attempt to discover so many things and started to develop, to correlate the current technology with their ancestor. The slide ruler was invented during this period. So this is the first slide ruler which can calculate the numbers, and small calculation was discovered during this period. It was analogous to computer used for multiplying and dividing. Pre-mechanical computer was invented by Blaise Pascal. So Blaise Pascal discovered the pre-mechanical component, that is the Pascaline computer, mechanical component. Charles Babbage was developed differential engine. This is the differential engine which tabulated the polynomial calculation equation in a finite differences. Morse code. The first discovery of Morse code was the pioneer for the development of first computer, and it was discovered by Samuel Morse in 1835. Mechanical period. So electromechanical age, actually electromechanical age having the time span between 1840 to 1940. This was the very crucial period in which so many machines and the technology were developed. Some technology which is related to modern day technology were invented during this period. This was the beginning of telecommunication. Alexander Bell, you can see here, the Alexander Bell invented telephone in 1876. first radio. This was the first radio. First radio was developed by the Galileo Marconi in 1894. In 1940, the first large-scale automatic DG computer Mark I. So this was the Mark I, was created by Howard University. This computer was 8 feet high. This computer was 8 feet high, 50 feet long, 2 feet wide and 5 tons in weight. And the chip was used in this computer was this, based on Morse code. Then electronic age. This is important. It is a present age in which we are started in 1940. The ENIAC. This is the ENIAC. ENIAC, the first high-speed digital computer capable of solving computing problems, was designed by US Army. It having the electrode Mark I, vacuum tube and electron and the circuit like this. So this is a total one room computer. 4 sections of digital computing were started during this age. Number 1, 4 sections. Number 1, vacuum tube, punch card and rotating magnetic drum for internal storage. So internal storage was done. Today we are having the chips, microchips, and to 128 GB. Okay, but initial time the vacuum tube, punch card and rotating magnetic drum was for the internal storage. Then second generation replaced with this vacuum tube, punch card, replaced by transition, magnetic tape and magnetic core. Fortran, COBOL and BASIC, these were the 3 languages was created during this second generation time only. Transistor and magnetic core were replaced by integrated circuits and metal oxide semiconductor respectively. Means transistor were replaced by integrated circuit and magnetic core were replaced by semiconductor. CPU were developed which contain memory, logic and control circuit in the single chip in 1954. CPU developed which contain memory, logic and control circuit in the single chip in the single chip. In 1954, IBM was introduced. IBM introduced IBM 704, which is the first computer which was based on magnetic core memory. It became a standard for the large machine. So this was the first IBM 704 personal computer, this punch card. Thank you for watching.